We need two. Approaching the city right now.
Right here is the baseball stadium.
Oh, baseball stadium.
Yeah, so MLB.
Mm-hmm.
That's where the Rockies play.
Nice.
But they're not playing now because everything is shut down. But as you can see here, it's not necessarily all shut down. Lots of cars on the road, even though we have a shelter in place in order to stay home.
Yeah.
Turn right onto Larimer Street.
Denver downtown.
Denver downtown. This is the downtown of Denver. We don't see any people right now, but actually, even in normal days, it's like this. What do you think? Really? Okay. Oh, because of this coronavirus, I guess people are all hiding at home.
Well, and it's not even 5 o'clock, so...
Oh yeah, they're probably still working.
Off work yet. So here is the pedestrian mall, pedestrian street.
Oh yeah, you can only walk here. 步行街, you know. You see that, what do you call that? Light rail train, right?
That's just a bus.
Oh, it's a bus.
There is a light rail around here.
No people. It's like a ghost town. See? You can dance here. Here's our destination. The Cheesecake Factory. So we got this card from my husband's mom.
To use the gift card.
A gift card, yes. It's $30 from my mother-in-law. You don't want to touch the handles, right? Use your elbow.
Which one looks good?
Oh yeah. They all look good. I want a chocolate one. Cheese. Hi.
Good. Which one of these would be like less sweet?
They are all sweet. Oh. Godiva, right? This is a good brand.
What?
Godiva.
But do you want to buy like many different kinds?
We can try. You can try this one. This is dream.
Do you have a menu with prices on them?
The what?
A menu with prices?
No, the prices should be in the menu right here.
Oh.
Snacks.
So this is you can. And then this is 你可能要买6寸、
Are you sure you're okay?
7寸、10寸，
Eliza,
大部分就是买的一片。
Oh, okay.
So 基本上 ，OK， 基本上都是算是9块钱。
Okay.
You didn't print me anything.
OK。
This is clean.
What can we do? Yes. No.
So here we are, another Asian supermarket, H Mart. H Mart is close to where we live, but it has less variety, less choices than Pacific Ocean Market. However, it was closed down. It was shut down at 6 in the evening. This one will open till 8:30. It's open.中国大米在哪里啊？中国人吃的米在哪里？日本人的米我也可以吃。这正常一点的米有没有？我不会是吃这种的，因为这种都是 brown rice， 哈嘎 rice， 到时候咬不下的 rice。新米啊，这看上去是米吗？这是正常的米吗 ？New crop， Nishiki。See brown rice， 你又想骗我 ？See it's brown rice。
No, it looks white to me. Okay.
They're all brown.
These brown? I like more brown.
White rice.
Yeah, so there.
什么叫做胚芽米？怎么看上去也是有问题的感觉？
这个是日本。
这个米看上去有点奇怪。
那你是回家吃吗？
嗯哼。
Okay.